good worker. Our contestant number 2.
Wiz.
Hey, what's up, madlang people?
Wiz Khalifa.
Denmark Ocampo, Wiz Khalifa ng Malibay, Pasay City.
Wiz Khalifa.
Yo,
Parang Teddy.
iba naman.
Ay, iba. Wiz Khalifa, yung mga hindi nakakalam kung sino si Wiz Khalifa, isang rapper, siya yung sa, yung ano yun, work hard, play hard. Yan, Wiz Khalifa.
Tabi kayo konti. Baka magkadamay pag nagkahulingan dito.
Dali, kasama sa pelikula to ni Dennis Padilla. Sa Sinong Mia. Sorry, Teros.
Ayaw naman kayo, quiz. Baka bumalik to. Aslong Mejia na naman. Pag hindi ka pumwede sa Wiz Khalifa, mag-Wiz Mejia ka bukas. Okay, Wiz. Kahit Wiz mo ka, Fez, what brings you to the Philippines? Why is there something rather than nothing? To what extent do you shape your own destiny? And how much would you leave to fate?
I'm happy.
Haba na sagot
I'm happy.
You're happy. Wiz is happy.
Wiz is really happy.
Wiz is happy. Ano masasabi nyo?
Ang kapal ng mukha mo! Okay, kayo naman, Denmark. Pakita mo kami ng mga Wiz Khalifang todong anglong good luck.
Malawis.
Showtimers, put your hands together for Denmark Ocampo of Malibay, Pasay City, a.k.a. Wiz Khalifa.
Ay, kamukha.
Ayan, kamukha niya.
To me, waking up in the morning, two hoes laying next to me. Plus I heard an officer arrested me. Good food and cold drinks, that's the time by the recipe. We can have it both. So deep, it's going down in the stage. Concrete, we got party all night. At those clips, and the artists all love my guys. And so tonight, everything is on me. The drink is on me. The biggest in the hotel, the weed is on me. Get high, be so how we don't see the whole trip. Dial level when you get it, you on me. CDO, no driving, no sleeping. Live it up like just a weekend. With the DJ, play the right song. Go drink, go party all night long. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like just a weekend. With the DJ, play the right song. Go drink, go party all night long.
Wiz Khalifa! Yun. Si Wiz Khalifa, isa sa pinakamalaking rap artist sa United States ngayon, di ba?
Ka-fest mo nga. Pati mga tatu-tatuan,
Ay,
fairness.
Patingin nga ng ano kasi may tattoo si Wiz Khalifa dito sa mata eh.
Kompleto.
Meron pala eh.
Balik mo na.
Hindi, silong yan. Sabi ni Vice, kung hindi mag-work sa kanya Wiz Khalifa, balik ka dito as blackjack. O, tingnan natin kung anong hatol naman ng people. Kuya Kim, pasok!